by fastening pieces of wire cut from a wire of length 100 centimeters. Find R if even single piece of wire is not wasted. So you have something like this. Okay, that came out good. Okay, so something like this is made by using a wire, right? So which means the perimeter and this circumference. So there are two objects formed. A circle. One circle is made out of the same wire, or by using the same wire, another square is also made. So the addition of the length, the total length of these two will be equal to what? 100 centimeters, right? They have told the total length of the wire is 100 centimeters. So you can find the perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. So this is going to be r. So if this is r, what is this length? If this is r, the length is going to be 2r, right? Then this is a square, so this is also going to be 2r. So the perimeter, the length of the circle, the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Then for the square you can write perimeter, right? So it is going to be 2r plus 2r plus 2r plus 2r. So it is going to be 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. So it is going to be 8r. So 2 pi r plus 8r is going to be equal to 100. Then you can take r out. So 2 pi plus 8 equal to 100. Now you can simplify 100 divided by 2 pi plus 8. So you can simplify this to get the answer 7 centimeters. You will get 7 centimeters. So I hope it's clear. It's not that difficult. The simplification part you can say. So instead of pi, you can write 22 over 7. Then you can simplify. You will get 7 centimeters. Okay. The second question. For the above figure, find the area of the square without the circle. So area of the square without the circle. So this area is not considered, but this area is considered. This area is considered. This area is considered, and this area is considered. So how can we find it? You can find the area of the square and deduct the area of the circle by that value. So you have to find. So I'll erase this. So you can find the area of the square. You can find the area of the square and deduct the area of the circle. You will get the area of the shaded region, right? So what is that value? So area of the square is 2r into 2r, which is 2r into 2r. And you will deduct this area, which is pi r squared, right? So now you know the radius is 7 centimeters, right? So 7 centimeters you can deduct. Instead of r, you can write 7, right? So 2 into 2, 4. 4 into r squared. So r squared into pi r squared, okay? So I also suggest, before substituting, whenever you need to substitute a value to such a thing, try to simplify it without substituting, right? You can do the substitution at last. So even when you get a simplification, don't, like when you get a fraction, when you go to division, so if suppose you get 22 over 7, right? So you don't have to write it in decimal form at the beginning. Then you will have to do a lot of calculations and you will have to play with decimal numbers. Don't do that. Try to do all the operations in fraction form. That will be easy. Don't turn into decimals. So your last step will be one single calculation that will be turning the fraction into the decimal. So here also I am not going to substitute anything. I am just trying to, you can take r squared out, right? R squared you can take out. You will get 4 minus 22 over 7, right? Then you can substitute 7 squared into, here you can take the common denominator, 7. 4 times 7 is 28 minus 22, right? Then you can see 28 minus 22 is 6, right? So you have 6 over 7. So here now you can cancel off 7 to 7. So you will get 7 times 4, which is 28 centimeters square. So look, here you could cancel off, right? So if you turn this into decimal at the first place, you won't be able to do this thing. I'm sorry?
7 times 6.
Oh yeah.
It's 28.
Yeah, 28 minus this is 6. So it is going to be 6 times 7. So I was telling, if you converted this into decimal, you cannot do this thing. So always it is better, it is easier, it is faster to leave the numbers in fraction form and simplify. Also do the substitution, try to do the substitution at the last. Just try to play with the letters.